You were taken away by force, but you're coming home with no chains around your feet. And we're thankful. My name is Brother David Jawara. I've been blessed to be in Africa for over 2 decades. And I'm still excited like a little newborn baby being in Africa every day. Because I could still be slaving in America. But slavery is over when you come to Africa. When you come to Africa, slavery is over. Because in America, it's difficult to be free. It's an illusion about freedom. Because those people, as Malcolm X say, are devils, okay? And they can't change. You know, they can't change. It's not in their DNA. So we have to make our exodus. We're blessed to have so many wonderful souls here to share with you. We have our beloved brother Shaka, Shabaka. I call him Shaka because he reminds me of the brother in South Africa that liberated. We have the Ghana government here. You know, it's not a small thing to have the Ghana Investment Promotion Center coming every year. They answer directly to the President of Ghana, His Excellency John Mahama. They are the ones that handles your investments, protect you when you come here. This is serious business because we don't want you to come here and you lose your investment. We want you to know exactly the laws of Ghana. So Brother Stephen is here to share with you what you can do to have a safe investment here. Okay, if you want to open a hotel, if you want to open a resort, if you want to open a clinic, you can do that in style. And all you need is just a Ghanaian partner and about 10,000 worth of investment. Could be dollars in Canada. He'll explain all that to you. So it's not difficult at this time to invest and own property. You can own land in Ghana. Again, you can be free. Ghana is a great country. We thank the founding fathers, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Okay, let's give him a big round of applause. Marcus Garvey and all those great brothers. We want to thank Brother Bumani. Let's give him a round of applause for doing a great job. And this year we got a special treat for Brother Bumani. He don't know this, but we're going to take his passport from him.
Get my passport.
So he won't go back to America.
You're not getting my passport.
So without further ado, we'd like to call Brother Bumani to come forward to give a few remarks before we get started. Brother Bumani.
All right, greetings family. Welcome to our investment conference first week, and in about 10 days we'll do another one. But just take all the information in, and it might not be something that's on your mind right now, but as the years, the decades go by, you know, it might be a more relevant option as far as living and doing business in Africa. So keep your mind open and jot down as many questions as possible. That way you can get the information you need to succeed. All right, family, you take care, and David will continue to
the ball rolling. Okay, again, Bumani, seriously, you got a special treat coming because Bumani do a great job. It's not easy to bring our people to Africa. First of all, I want to thank you for trusting the brother. Give yourself a round of applause. You're great. You're great. You're great. You know, I was here when the late Leon Sullivan was bringing groups to Africa. He did a great job. That man was a powerful brother.
Yes, sir.
I mean, he brought thousands of people to Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana. I was blessed, you know, all the so-called big names came. I mean, he was building a great bridge.
Yes.
And when he passed, what happened? Nobody could really continue, but Bumani is doing it.
That's right.
And Sister Sands, I'm happy to see you. Come on up here and let me
you know what?
give you a hug
I'm
right
happy
in
to
front
see
of
you
everybody. Bless your soul.
I'm happy to see you too, brother. You know, he was feeling me because Reverend Leon Sullivan was one of my heroes too.
Right.
The brother out of
Philadelphia,
Philadelphia
right.
had the foundation, Teachers for Africa,
Right.
And he provided a bridge for those of us who were committed to coming in a big way. But what we want to honor this ancestor for is that he was the one that brought apartheid down out of South Africa.
Right.
When he brought the big Coca-Cola and GM folk out of here. But when he spoke his name, our heart just leaped.
Right.
He named the name of the ancestors.
Right.
Thank you, brother.
And we'll also have a few of our Ghanaian investors in progress. We got Brother Nana, Brother Yao, and Brother Joseph. Let's give them a round of applause. They have some investments that they want to share with you. Because when you come here, you know, we are excited, and we share with our people here in Ghana that our brothers and sisters are coming home, and we want them to come out and share, you know, what they do and to partner with them. And we are praying that unity can come about tonight. We're going to allow a few people to say a few words briefly, because again, we want you to just digest the information, and we don't want to talk too long. We do apologize for getting started a little later than what we had on the program, but as they say in Ghana, God time is the best, you know. And we in Africa, we are, as Kwame Nkrumah said, we have a right to govern or misgovern ourselves. So we're not going to shoot our foot off if we make a mistake. We're going to be patient with ourselves, and we're going to build heaven on earth. We have our sister Mikkel here. She repatriated how many years ago? 8 years ago. And I've seen all of her children born here from the U.S. by way of Haiti. A wonderful soul. So she's going to say a few words. And of course, we got our great Dr. Sari. If you got any disease, you can forget about the disease, because he's going to get rid of all your diseases if you talk to him. It's impossible to be sick around this man. Impossible to be sick around Dr. Sari. So let's get the ball rolling with Brother Shabaka sharing a few words about what he feels that you should be about at this time in terms of Ghana and the world.